Let's take a look at what's happening out there right now. No storms to worry about this morning. Could see a few popping up later on today, mainly north of the Triangle. It's calm right now in Chapel Hill, still dark and early. 67 degrees at Keenan Memorial Stadium. 72 degrees the temperature right now on campus at NC State. So quite a spread just from Chapel Hill to downtown Raleigh. Temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s all across central North Carolina, even mid 60s along the Virginia state line. 64 Roxborough, 65 degrees in Henderson. We're going to get the 5 o'clock temperature update in Raleigh in just a couple of minutes, and I think we will briefly dip into the upper 60s as well. No such luck farther south. You're still at 75 degrees in Fayetteville. You'll at least get down to around 72, 73. I think that's about the best we can hope for. Up to about 73 in the Triangle. A few clouds floating through this morning, but those aren't going to be a big deal. They're really not going to put the brakes on the warm-up at all. Upper 80s by noon. That's hot already. Our temperatures will continue climbing as we head through the rest of the afternoon, up into the mid-90s already by 3 o'clock this afternoon. Not too muggy out there, but still the humidity is going to be noticeable. It's August. It hardly ever drops that much. Just enough moisture in the air for a chance of a few isolated storms, mainly north and northeast of the Triangle. We'll check that out in Futurecast in just a second. First, let's look at those high temperatures. Even hotter farther south, mid to upper 90s for our southern counties, and enough humidity still here to make it feel like about 102, 103 degrees. Not quite bad enough for a heat advisory, but still take it easy in the heat and humidity this afternoon. Low 90s along the Virginia state line. That's hot enough to pop the lid on the atmosphere, especially as a weak little boundary comes down from the north and tries to help pop the lid on the atmosphere and get those storms going. Futurecast shows no activity really by late afternoon. This up to the north, though, is going to try to make a run down into our northern counties. So again, it's along the Virginia state line and for the northern coastal plain where you have the best chance of one of those passing showers or thunder showers very late this afternoon and then into this evening. Things calm down tonight quickly and will be dry for the first half of the day tomorrow in almost all of central North Carolina, with the slightly better chance of a few pop-up storms in the afternoon and early evening, but it's still pretty limited activity. Futurecast trying to bring a few showers and storms even into the Triangle. Does look like the better chance will actually shape up to the south and east of the Triangle, especially as we head farther into the evening and early overnight. Limited severe weather potential, can't completely rule it out, where you get some showers and storms late this afternoon into this evening. Tomorrow, same marginal risk, which is the lowest category, but for those areas I just talked about, to the south and east of the Triangle, maybe a couple thunderstorms becoming strong enough to prompt a severe thunderstorm warning. We'll keep an eye on it for you throughout the weekend. We know it's going to be hot. Mid-90s today, low 90s tomorrow, right around 90 degrees on Sunday, and that's one of the coolest days of the 7-day forecast. Low to mid-90s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Gradually increasing storm chances next week. About a 50-50 chance on Wednesday. We'll see if we can ramp that up even more as we get closer to the middle of next week, but over the weekend, just be ready to sweat.